If you're looking for an affordable 4K dashcam, then look no further. The newest 70 May 4K A810 dashcam is just that. Extreme clarity, and with that of course comes extreme security. And what it means is super clear and crisp 4K resolution, image optimization, HDR features, dope looking overlays, and best of all, it is actually a dual dashcam. So you will actually get two cameras. And on top of that, many other cool features, a companion app, and also with the hardware kit right here, this system even offers parking surveillance, a parking guardian mode basically, with AI motion detection. So let's check it out. Got the new drip from 70 May, their new 4K A810 dashcam system. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the boxes. Let's start with the hardware kit. So this side with all the details. Again, and also this lovely box. So let's get in there. So there we go. This is for the parking surveillance mode, for the guardian mode. And right here we have the dash cam. First of all, let's remove this wrap, just like that. Nice and shiny front. Again, with all the details on the back, more features on the top. And that's the bottom, it's the same. Nice shiny brand on the side, as well as on this side. So quite symmetrical. And now, let's see. Neatly organized. Okay, we have this, and oh, in here, this is an envelope. Whoa, loads and loads of accessories in here. And underneath, we have the main unit and also the second, the aux unit. Quite a lot of stuff, so let's get straight to the accessories. Before we move on, we have the hardware kit with the manual, the main unit, the cables, paperwork of the main unit, this tool, adapter, and this second unit. I will remove this one and I will consider the rest as the accessories. So again, we have this tool right here. Then we also have this adhesive pad on the back of this part right here. And you can use it to slide in the main unit. Then we have the adapter for the cigarette lighter with two USB-A ports. Really nice. We have the second camera module right there. I will remove this one. There we have it, looking really nice with the passive cooling on the back, ventilation holes, and that's the cable. Then we will also get a long USB-A to USB-C cable for the main unit. Good length to it and also good thickness. And then we will get the cable for the main unit and for the second camera. Then we have the hardware kit right here, USB-C and 3 cables on the other ends. Done with the hardware, so let's move on to the paperwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last page with the specs. And here we have the paperwork for the main unit, and we also have this right here and also this right here for easier removal from the windscreens, from the windows. We will get a dedicated manual for the rear camera. 1, 2, 3, and the last page, and a manual for the main unit. So let's go. 2, 3, 4. There we have it, multi-language of course. So to recap, the paperwork, the cables, the adapters, and the rear camera. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it, beautiful. Let's remove this. So we have 4 buttons, power button, that's actually a 5th one. And let's remove this. Nice. Great build quality, straight out of the box, looking really nice. And it's quite compact as well. And you can also easily adjust this camera. Pretty cool. So let's take a close look. So on this side we have the audio video input, the USB-C input for powering it, and also a slot for a micro SD card. On the other side we have the camera module and also the on-off button. That's the bottom right here with a status LED. We have this on the back, so all the details, and this, well, this protrusion for sliding into the mount. That's the camera module right here. Nice big lens in there, as you can see. And on top also more holes for ventilation, passive cooled, really nice. And lastly, of course, the front side with the 4 mentioned buttons and the display, which is looking really clean and nice. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test it. The publisher is 70May Co Ltd and we need this one right here. So let's open it up. And first of all, let's sign up, of course. And there we go. Before we can add a device, we of course need to power it up. So I have a power bank right here. So right here, DC in, just like that. And let's turn it on. This is how it will react to the polarizer, by the way. So let me fix that. So let's pick English. Beautiful screen. And this is what the LED light will mean. Green for recording, blue for standby, red arrow. This to activate the warranty. So let's insert a card. So we have the error. Easy fix though. Let's just insert one, just like that. And there we go. Let's format it. Perfect. So when it gets to these 4 buttons, we have the audio recording is off. Now it's on. Recording emergency video. All right. So we can set a timestamp basically. Then right here we have the gallery, all videos, just emergency videos, parking surveillance, time-lapse recordings and pictures. Oh, it's even with sound. That's awesome. Okay, let's delete it. And there we have it. And then we also have the settings. Video settings, system settings, format, parking security, all that good stuff. Nice. But we will check the rest in the app. You can do everything on the device itself, but with the app it's just more convenient. So let's add a device, allow it, and it's found. It has been found. Confirm on the dash cam. Green light. Very well. So let's connect to the dash cam. Give it all the permissions, of course. Wi-Fi. All right, there we can see the password. All right, so check it out. We have a nice looking live preview in the app as well. And then here we have all the shortcuts that the camera has as well. We can take pictures straight to the device and we can also switch the cameras, but it's not connected yet. So let's check out the album. It will stop recording when you check it. So here we have all the recorded videos so far and the picture that we just took. And we also have the timeline, which is an amazing feature. So you have the date and the time. From there you can download the video straight to your device, to your phone. But now let's first of all fix the time. Easy as that. That's why I didn't do it on the device. You can just sync it from your phone. That's like one tap. And now check this out. Here we have all the device settings, easily visible, perfect for setting it all up. So we have the coding, that's fine. We have the resolution and the frame rate, that's fine. Max resolution, of course. Video clip duration, HDR is enabled. Then we can set the watermarks. We can even turn off the logo, but that's fine. We can set the hertz. Before we move on, let's actually connect the second camera. I have already connected the cables and now we just need to plug it in. And now we can already switch to the extension camera. Check this out, awesome. And back to the main camera. Next up we have the parking security. So we have a collision detection, but we can only activate this when a cable is actually detected. It's this one, by the way. This is USB-C to basically your car battery. These are ground and 12 volt minus and plus. Then we also have motion detection and also the time lapse. Next up we have the smart functionality. So we have the emergency video with collision detection and then we have ADAS. And then we have all the sound settings, speaker volume, medium is fine. We can also mute the speaker. We have the key tones and here we can also choose whether we want to record audio or not. Then here we have all the settings from the first boot up. We can change the language. We can also set a screen off time. Always on is fine. Auto off functionality when there is no movement, that's fine. Then all the Wi-Fi settings, date format, speed units, and then also the about. Then we have device data and we can format the card and do a factory reset. And with that, we are ready to install it in the car. For best results, first of all, we of course need to clean the glass in the front, in the back, both sides. As you can see, I have already applied the electrostatic films. This is how to do it basically. This is super convenient for removing it later on. And now we can just stick on the cameras. So first of all, the main unit, just like that. Perfect. Let's also wipe the lens. Now the rear camera. So this is a super convenient 2-in-1 solution. Off with the sticker and there we go. That should be perfect. Now I just need to align it a bit better. All right, not too bad. Next up, let's hook it up just like that. Cigarette lighter. Let's plug it in. And now all that's left is to turn on the ignition. And there we go. So let's adjust that. Oh yeah, that's awesome. That is looking great. You can fine adjust it like that. Just a bit though, but that's looking good. Now let's also check out the back camera, and that's upside down. So, that is awesome. Look how easy that is. I can do that better. That's more like it. So these strips are perfect for testing it. And now check it out. That is looking perfect. Let's go for a ride. So here we go, check out this beautiful 4K quality, and that's also what the microphone sounds like. Short pause. Just so you know, the reflections and the glare are caused by the windshield. It has nothing to do with the dashcam. Just wanted to point that out. Let's go for a zoom test. We already checked out the number plate of the red car in the teaser. And now check this out. This is a 500% zoom. For the image to not completely fall apart, this of course is only possible with a super clear and crisp image. And this dashcam provides just that. Super sharp images that you can zoom in a lot. And this is perfect for extracting all the vital infos that you need in case of an accident or something like that. When you take a super sharp turn, you might trigger the emergency video depending on the sensitivity. Okay, sorry for the interruption right there, but check this out. Wow, another 500% zoom right there. Look how clear and sharp it is, even at this insane zoom level. It's a fairly cloudy day, as you can see, but even in low light conditions, this dashcam will deliver awesome video quality. Just beautiful. So, and here we go, night ride, low light situation. Let's see. So it just rained. Let me fix that. Alright, that's better. Let's go. And even now in the middle of the night it was pitch black. You can still do the zoom and extract all the infos that you need. Great low light performance to say the least. Wow, the low light is looking great. That's amazing. That is quite amazing. Good stuff, let's go. As you saw, the Sony Starvis sensor in here is doing an amazing job in all sorts of lighting conditions. The day footage looks amazing, it's clear, it's crisp. You can zoom in a lot thanks to the high resolution. And even during the night, thanks to the night owl vision, the videos look really good. And that means your car will be safe at all times. And with the hardware kit, you can even activate the AI supported parking guardian mode, like all the Teslas have. Just amazing, especially for the price point. The main unit with the screen can be used as a standalone system. You can set up everything that you need straight on this device. But of course there is also the companion app, which makes everything a bit easier and is also super handy to have. And it can also be used for footage export. Solid build quality, gorgeous screen, and so many customization possibilities. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.